Correct way to wash clothes. I've been washing mine wrong all this time. 1. If there's an oil stain on the clothes, a bit of table salt and detergent will make it instantly clean. 2. If your white clothes have turned yellow after a summer's wear, put them in a basin with a bit of toothpaste, a pinch of salt, an appropriate amount of laundry detergent, and warm water at 50 degrees Celsius. Soak for 10 minutes and gently scrub. You'll feel like you have a new piece of clothing. 3. If there's a lipstick mark on your husband's t-shirt, clean it with facial cleanser and makeup remover. 4. If the color of the shirt is yellowed, add salt, white vinegar, and laundry detergent to the water, scrub the yellowed collar back and forth, and it will be clean. 5. If your clothes are moldy, don't throw them away. Add toothpaste, laundry detergent, table salt, white vinegar, and warm water. Stir evenly, soak for 5 minutes, gently scrub, and the mold on the clothes will disappear. 6. Black clothes can turn white after long use. Put the clothes in a basin, add an appropriate amount of floral dew, table salt, laundry detergent, and warm water at 50 degrees Celsius. Soak for 20 minutes and gently scrub. The clothes will look like new. Follow me for more practical tips.